love, Colton?
We're joking around. We're joking around with each other.
You're joking around with each other?
Yeah. Get a picture.
It's not a picture. We're on TV.
Are we?
Yeah. What do you want to say to the TV?
We're on.
Let's hear what Ava's going to say.
I love Chico.
Oh. And who else do you love?
Colton.
And who else?
And Jessica and Phil.
Oh, yeah. Who else?
And Nanny and Mommy.
Oh, yeah. And who else?
And Ava.
You love yourself?
Uh-huh.
She's a fartman.
I'm not farming. Colton. Are you farming, Colton?
No.
Half.
No.
No,
Is he
a
farming?
quarter.
Hey, what's your name?
Ava.
Ava what?
Ava.
No.
Ava Baylog. What's your middle name?
A-V-A.
That's right, you spell your name.
A-V-A.